Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process of creating your very first remote repository on GitHub from scratch. Begin by opening up your preferred web browser, navigating to github.com, and logging in to your personal profile. Once you are looking at your main dashboard, cast your eyes toward the top right corner of the page and locate the distinct plus icon right next to your profile picture. Click that plus symbol to reveal a quick drop-down menu and select the very first option, which is labeled New Repository. You will instantly be taken to the configuration page, where your first crucial task is to type out a short, memorable name for your project space. Directly below that, you have the optional choice to add a brief description explaining exactly what your code or project is all about to anyone who visits. Next up, you must decide the visibility of your project by selecting Public if you want the world to see it, or Private if you want to keep the source code entirely to yourself. Scroll down slightly to the Initialization section, where you can choose to check a box that automatically adds a helpful README file, which serves as the front page introduction for your repository. You can also choose to add a git ignore file from a massive drop-down list of templates, which tells GitHub to completely ignore temporary system files or external dependencies like node modules that do not need to be tracked online. Finally, take one quick second to double-check all your chosen settings, scroll to the absolute bottom of the page, and click that bright green button that says Create Repository. The screen will instantly refresh, and you will be greeted by your brand new, beautifully organized digital workspace, complete with its unique Quick Start web link, completely primed and ready for you to start uploading your files, tracking your development history, and collaborating with developers all over the world. Subscribe the channel for more videos.